Okay, class. This is how you are going to create a .sql file in Workbench. This is the file that you have to submit in all of my activities that will be sent in the future. Okay, reminder class, you have to save your .sql using this format: group number, week number, lab. Example, group 1, week 3, lab.sql. To submit your .sql file, you have to go to the local connection. So just click the local connection. Then go to administration. Then under the management navigator, you have to select the data export. On the object selection, you have to select the database or the schema that you use. For example, I have to select the MCAT database or schema. And then on the export option, I have to select the export to self-contained file. Then browse it. Example, I have to go to the desktop. Again, as a reminder, you have to submit your .sql file using your group number, followed by week number, then lab. Then save it. Then click the Start Export button. Continue anyway. Since that I do not have any password, just click OK. And then let the export be completed. So if the status is export completed, now you can go to your directory where you save your file. So I can see now the group 1 week 3 laboratory.sql. Thank you.